So now we are going to move building a chatbot with multiple tools using LangGraph. Okay. So here we are going to use different multiple tools like RCIP query and Wikipedia query. So we get answer from RCIP and Wikipedia. Okay, so here you can see this is the RCIP. Uh, okay, I think you already know about RCIP is used and RCIP is used as an open source repository for distributing and accessing pre-print or scientific paper in the field like physics, mathematics, and computer science. It allows researchers to share their work rapidly and freely before and in addition to formal peer reviewer review publication. Okay, so facilitating quicker. So I think you already knew about it RCIP. So RCIP here you can get research paper, physics, chemistry, and mathematics and computer science, and Wikipedia. So we get answer from Wikipedia. Okay, so I think you already knew about Wikipedia. So here I'm going to use from LangChain community dot tool import archive and Wikipedia query run. Okay, so from LangChain community dot utils import Wikipedia and archive API wrapper that we can use these things in my code. Okay, so I need to install pip install archive here. Here I'm going to write a code for RSIP. Okay, so API wrapper RSIP. So here this is the instance for RSIP API and top k result. So we want to result uh, in top 5, top 2. So that's why we need to write top 2 and document content character max equals to 500. It will give you 500 character and RCIP equals to RCIP query run and API wrapper equals to API wrapper RCIP. Okay, so print RCIP dot name. Okay, so this will print RCIP. So RCIP dot invoke. Now I'm going to asking the question. Uh, what is what is all you need? Okay, so it will give you answer. Attention is all you need. Okay, this will generate the answer from research paper. Okay, so research paper, this is the research paper, this is the research paper which based on transformer. Okay, so attention is all you need, but you don't need all of it for interface of large language model. Okay, so this will attention is a part of transformer. Okay, so the paper published in this date. Okay, and generate the answer from paper and answer is this. Okay, so now I'm going to install Wikipedia. So pip install Wikipedia that we can get access answer from the Wikipedia. So here I'm going to use API wrapper wiki. So this is the Wikipedia wrapper. This is the top k result so that we get top 1 result or 2 result, whatever you need to change number here if you want to answer top 5, top 6. Okay, after that document content equals to maximum 500, doc content character max 500. So here you can see Wikipedia wiki equals to Wikipedia query then. So API wrapper equals to API wrapper wiki. So wiki dot name Wikipedia. And now I'm going to ask the question wiki dot invoke what is machine learning, and this will give you answer from Wikipedia. This one, machine learning is a field of study in artificial intelligence concerned with the development of statistical algorithm that can learn from data and generalize to unseen data. Okay, and after this, these are the I have finished two tools. One is Wikipedia, and second is one is RCIP and second is Wikipedia. Now, now I am going to access env file that we can use API. So here, if you don't have Tably API, I already told you about env files. So here I have my env files, this one. Okay, and I have all APIs which I use in my project. So here if you don't have any API, then you can get it from their pages. Okay, or use their website to get API. So here if you want to table API, so here you need to log in inside this, and here you get your APIs. Okay, you can create by clicking on plus, give name and create API. Okay, so you can copy and paste it inside the env file, or you can use in your code. Okay, so here I'm going to use table API and grok API. Okay, so table API is a search tool. So here I'm going to write a code for table API. So from LangChain community tool dot table search import table search result. Okay, so from LangChain community dot tool dot table search we are going to import table search result. Okay, so table equals to table search result. Okay, so here I'm asking the question from table dot invoke provide me recent AI news for October 3rd 2025. Then it will give you can't upon select. Okay, sorry, so these are the news. Okay, this is the title. Okay, this one, and this is catch up content catch up select AI news and development from the past week. Okay, so here updated artificial intelligence technology on 3 October. So you need to click on this. Okay, so here these are the news. I'm not going to read it. Okay, this is also another news what is new in AI and top breakthrough you should know about it. Okay, so these are the news. You can click on this and you can read this. Okay, so we can get news by using table search tool. Okay, so this is another tool. Now we already have three tools. Now we need to combine all tools in the list. Okay, so here you can see tool equals to list archive Wikipedia and Tably. Okay, now initially my LLM model. So here I'm going to initialize my LLM model from LangChain grok import chat grok. So chat LLM equals to chat model and model equals to this one llama 3.1 8 billion and parameter and instant. Okay, instant. So here LLM with tool, and now we are going to bind our LLM. So LLM dot bind tool like if you ask the any question from table API, then it will give you answer from table API. Otherwise if you ask the question from Wikipedia, then it will automatically like decide so which tool I need to call. Then after this it will generate answer. Okay, now we are going to use bprint, that we print the things. Okay, from LangChain core dot message import AI message and human message. Okay, so here LLM with tools dot invoke human message and content. What is the recent AI news? Okay, okay, so this will show you this is the AI message content, this one, and this is these are the argument recent AI news and name of tool table search. Okay, so it will give you information which tool we are going to use. And this is the token and this is the prompt total token and compile time. Okay, prompt time, queue time, queue sorry total time. Okay, model name. So system fingerprints. Okay, so it give you everything. So now LLM with tool dot involve human message and content. What is the recent AI news dot tool call? So this is showing you in response tool name equals to table search result JSON argument this one recent AI news and ID number this one, and type tool call. Okay, so now we are going to define a state schema in a graph. So here from typing extension import type text, or okay, from LangChain core dot message import any message, and from typing import annotate. Okay, it will label the message. Okay, and from LangChain dot graph message import add message. Okay, it will add a message to your existing message. In existing message, your new message will add to the existing message. So here we are going to define a state. Okay, so first step, if you create a graph, then we need to create a state. Okay, so here message equals to annotation and list any type message and add message. Here entire chatbot with LangGraph. So here I'm going to import ipython.display image and display. So here you can see in second line langgraph.graph import state graph start and end. So langgraph pre-built import tool node and langgraph pre-built import tool condition. So node define tool calling state and return message LLM tool invoke state message. Okay, now we are going to build a graph. So we need to initialize state, and after that we need to add nodes. So these are the nodes. Here you can see this is for tool call. Okay, and tool equals to tool node and tools. Okay, so we already have tools. This one, it will call any of one according to your query and generate the answer to you. Okay, after tool calling, if it like we can add condition also. If the latest message result from assistant is a tool call, tool condition route to the tool. If the latest condition result from assistant is not a tool call, tool condition route to the end. Okay, so here builder dot add edges tool, and so we are going to end tool here. So graph equals to builder dot compile and display the marmot image. Okay, so this is a marmot image. So start, you can see tool call. So if it is going to use tool, then use and generate the answer from it, and it will end. Otherwise, not if it is not going to use tool, generate the answer and end the tool. Okay, so here message dot invoke message human message and content this number. Okay, so from m in the message and m dot pretty. So this is the number from AI research. I mean this is the number from RSIP. Okay, so we get tool call. So if I ask this number, so this is the paper name. Okay, from RSIP. So it will call a RSIP and call ID this one and query this one, and this will say you that publish date of this on 2023 8 2. Okay, so what is the title of this file? So attention is all you need. Okay, author Asis Baswani. Okay, these are the authors, and summary, the document sequence, sorry, the dominant sequence transduction model are based on the complex recurrent or convolution convolution neural network in a encoder decoder configuration. Okay, so here you need to copy it and you can paste it here. I'm just going to copy number, but it will copy it. So here you can see this is the documents. Okay, attention is all you need. The dominant sequence of the transduction model are based on the complex recurrent of the convolution neural network in encoder and decoder configuration. Okay, so here we got response from this paper, and this called the RSIP tool. Okay, message equals to graph.invoke. Now asking another question to the LLM. So message equals to human message and content provide me the top 10 recent AI news from March 3rd March 2025. So here from M for am in message. Okay, am dot pretty print. So provide me the top 10 news. Okay, this is a human message and tool call. This is the tool call. So it will going to, it will going to use tably search for the AI news. So here the query is AI news March 3rd, 2025. So here this is the title, AI news 3rd March. Uh, so this will give you this URL. And this week AI update exploration, some of the most impactful developments. So this is the content you get inside this. Okay, this is the news from tablet tool. Now I'm going to ask the another question. Message equals to graph.invoke message, human message content equals to what is machine learning. Okay, so here I'm going to apply loop for m in message and m dot print message. What is machine learning? So I think I need to run everything one by one. Okay, it will took it took some time to give you response. Go to running cell. Okay, so I am already in running cell. Mhm. Connecting to the kernel. Guys, it took time. Okay, so if like if you ask me what is machine learning, it will give you answer from Wikipedia. Okay, and tool is Wikipedia. So we use different tool here. We build a chatbot here by using different multi like a multiple tools. Okay, so tool is Archive, Wikipedia, and Tably. Okay. Mm. Okay, friend. Bye bye. Take care. If you have any doubt, please do comment. I hope you like my video. Bye bye.